Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another installation video, and today I'm featuring one more hair. So this wig was actually constructed by myself and customized by myself. Now I've been customizing my 4x4 closures like mini frontals, and guys, I am absolutely in love with them so much. Like, I think, okay, for the meantime they're replacing my frontals, but this is actually so easy. But yeah, this is how the box comes. It comes with the bundles, a thank you card, and yeah, so they all came in plastic wallets. I had a 18-inch closure, then a 20, 22, then 24-inch bundles. And yeah, I did go ahead and bleach the knots on this closure, and the knots bleached absolutely perfectly. Like, you can't see any knots. It looks so good on my hand, so I was super excited to try out this wig. And to create all my wigs, I used the Argan Oil Dome Cap. This is by Cream of Nature. And yeah, so this is me with my dome cap, and I'm just gonna apply the wig that I created. And yeah, I did apply, I don't know, I keep saying yeah. I did apply an elastic band, and I think I might be removing that because my head is just too damn tight. Like, it's too damn tight. The dome cap already has an elastic band built in, you know, because of the, well, kind of has an elastic band built in, so it's a lot of security going on here. So yeah, this is me applying the wig. In terms of the density, obviously this is not a pre-made wig, so it doesn't have a set density, but at first I was like, I don't know, the bundles at the bottom are a bit thinner than the bundles at the top, but it came out absolutely perfect. I'll just say the top section is really thick. Even the closure is really thick. I love the closure. I love how thick it is. So I did apply foundation on my lace, and now I'm just going to go in and use my eyebrow scissors to just cut my lace in a jagged motion, so in a zigzag motion. You never want to cut straight across because that would just look very unnatural. I mean, a wig ain't very natural, but we gotta make it look as natural as possible. So cut in a jagged motion, that way it won't look straight across and very unnatural. So yeah, I'm just gonna cut off the thick sides on the closures. I just really hate when they stick out. And then I'm going to use my OS Super Hold Spray, and I'm just going to use that just like a got to be spray. So I'm just going to use that to secure my wig. It honestly didn't need the spray, but I just wanted that extra security. And now I'm just going to go in and section up my baby hairs and just literally style them. Well, not yet, but I'm just going to section them out. Then I'm going to melt the lace with an elastic band, and then I'm going to go on to customizing, defining the curls. So now that I've applied my elastic band, I'm going to go in and use my wax stick. This is by Kiki Hair Care, and I'm going to take my Papa Chichi pink hot comb, and I'm going to just make sure everything is flat and laid and styled, because some people are scared to use hot combs on curly hair, and there's absolutely no problem. I would just suggest using it first, then going ahead and defining your curls. That way it won't interfere with like the curl pattern, and you won't have like a straight closure and curly bundles. How the natural curl texture looks like, and yeah, I'm just gonna go in and define the curls. And to define my curls, I use my own curl spray, and which is just a mixture of water and the soft and free curl activator. Like I said in my last video, the curl activator on its own is really thick and can really weigh down the hair. So I mix it in with water and it absolutely gets the job done. And after I've defined the curls, I go ahead and I lock it all in using the ORS Wrap Set Mousse. I absolutely love how the hair was able to go from a very thick and full state, well at the top, to being really flat and tamed. And yeah, that's how this hair was. This hair did maintain the wet look, like the hair did stay like this for the entire day, and it didn't give me any flyaways or any problems like that. The hair is completely soft. I haven't experienced any shedding with the hair, so yeah, I highly recommend. Like I said, all the hair that I put on my channel, I just don't come and do hair reviews anyhow. It's either I've used the hair before or I've seen good reviews, and I've worked with One More Hair before and I know that they have good hair. So yeah, this is why I'm doing this video and I'm featuring them, because their hair is really good, and I would highly recommend, especially the closures and frontals, because it bleached really well. The only con I have about this wig that I created is the lace is slightly dark for me. It's not something that's it's not like it's very dark to the point where, okay, I can't really wear this wig, but it's like one shade darker than me. If it was a shade lighter, it would have been perfect, but I feel like it's something I could fix because it's not dramatically dark. Like if it was dramatically dark, you could see it on the camera, but it looks quite good. So I feel like what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with a heap load of foundation. That's like the only solution I'll have, because it's not like, because there's some laces that they're dark and there's no way you can fix it. This one is hella dark. This one isn't hella dark, so it's just like a shade darker. So I might have to go in with my foundation and maybe a lighter powder on top, so that might even it out. Well, I hope so. So what I did was I used some gel mixed with mousse on the section behind my baby hairs, and that's how I just slicked everything back. And then I took some Afro G mousse and I put that on the baby hairs, and now I'm just using the spoolie to just style the baby hairs. If you guys would like a baby hair tutorial on like frontals and closures, let me know, because I feel like I'm improving, like I'm getting better, so I would be happy to create that video. Other than that, yeah, we're pretty much near the end. But before I'm done with the closure section, like the customization, I'm going to go in and pluck a little bit more, because I just feel like the closure is slightly thick. So I'm just going to pluck a tad bit more, and then I'll be done with that section. So as you can see here, I am going in and plucking that area just so it looks more natural. And because I have a round hairline, I tend to pluck more like near the part area, so like in the exact middle section, because I have a round hairline, and if I pluck more there, it creates that illusion, if that makes any sense, rather than having like a straight across hairline. And I'm going to take my concealer and my part, then I'm going to blend that in with the back of my comb. This trick I learned from Slay by Jordan. I'm going to take some spray dye and I'm going to use that to define my part. It just makes your part look 10 times better, especially if you have over bleached knots or any like bald patches or bald spots in your closure. This will just like make it disappear, okay? And yeah guys, that's literally the end. This hair is absolutely lush. The density turned out being okay. The hair did maintain the wet look like I told you guys. It stayed like this basically throughout the whole day. I highly recommend. I will see you guys in my next video. Stay blessed, stay safe, and stay prayed up.